Have you ever wanted to speak up in a meeting, go to the gym, or start a new project, but instead you paused and then did nothing? That tiny hesitation is where dreams go to die. Mel Robbins discovered something powerful. If you don't act on an idea within 5 seconds, your brain will kill it. It will talk you out of it. It will protect you from risk, from change, from growth. But you can fight back. The moment you feel the urge to act on a goal or instinct, count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. Stand up, speak, start. No overthinking, no fear. Why does it work? Because it interrupts your habit loop. It shifts control from your subconscious autopilot to your prefrontal cortex, the decision-making part of your brain. This is not motivation, it's activation. Motivation is unreliable, but action is powerful. So the next time your brain says, wait, you count down and take the leap. 5 seconds, one decision, a whole new you.